The please wait error on your T-Mobile hotspot typically indicates a software glitch during startup or connection. The first thing you should do is perform a simple reboot. Unplug the hotspot, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. This clears temporary memory and often resolves the issue. If the problem persists after the reboot, ensure your hotspot's firmware is up to date. You can usually check for updates via the T-Mobile Internet app or by accessing the hotspot settings through a web browser, typically at 192.168.12.1. Current devices use AI-driven diagnostics, which can be used from the T-Mobile app. When basic troubleshooting like reboots and updates don't resolve the please wait error, try a factory reset as the next step. A factory reset will erase all your custom settings, including your Wi-Fi network name and password, and restore the hotspot to its original factory state. Always back up important settings first. Refer to your device's manual or the T-Mobile support website for specific reset steps. To prevent future please wait errors, ensure your hotspot has a stable power supply and avoid forceful shutdowns that can corrupt the firmware. Check for signal issues, particularly in areas with unstable 5G coverage. Use T-Mobile's coverage map to verify service in your location. Confirm your SIM card is properly inserted and seated correctly in the hotspot. Verify your access point name settings are correctly set to fast.tmobile.com for optimal T-Mobile network performance. For better reliability, consider upgrading to a newer hotspot model. This is especially beneficial for users with older devices that may have outdated firmware or hardware limitations.